Hey, what's up? So I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can get paid to answer questions online. And this has nothing to do with surveys. You don't have to do them silly little surveys that take up too much of your time and they don't pay money. What I want to share with you is a method that can make you some money right now. So 3 ways how you could do that. I'm going to share with you 3 websites. So let's jump into the video right now. As you can see listed right here, you can get the payout is $100. You can get about 150. There's 150 right here. This is 90. Down here is 100. There's up to $125, 475 to $575 just by applying these methods and answer questions. That's all you're going to be doing. So this is great. And the website that you're going to go for this particular one is focusgroups.org. So there's a lot of different focus groups out there. So if you search for focus groups, it will pop up whether it's in your city, it's in your town, or whatever country that you're in, because there's a lot of them. And what are focus groups is basically these are groups that they do form of like testing. For example, if there's a new food or a new drink that just come out, they need some people to try it and test it. Or maybe it's a new website that you have to test, or it's a new app that come out that you have to test. So they're gonna pay you to answer questions. So you could just sign up. It is absolutely free. And just like what it says down here, you could sign up for free. It only takes 2 minutes to do that. You can browse over 150 listings. Once you do that at any time, you could apply. So search for whatever it is. Wait for the application to be reviewed and qualified. Once you get qualified, you could get paid either by your Visa card or they will mail you a check. So that's how you're going to get paid. And then once you sign up for this website, just come over where it says study, click down here, and there's even ways how you can install apps. There's clinical trials as well that you can use to make money. But for this video, it's all about the focus groups and answering questions. So as I said, this right here, online focus group for parents on healthcare in Florida. So if you're in Florida, you could just sign up. You can view. Once you view it, they'll tell you what you need to do. This is the description that they're looking for. They're looking for children under 19 years old, and you'll be compensated $100 for 2 hours of your time. So that is huge. Just to make $100 for 2 hours. Payouts 100. Gender could be male or female. Age range is 18 plus, and this is the location that they're looking for people to do this, right? So this is something that's been going on for a very, very long time, not only just now, but consistently. All right, so online focus groups. So they're looking for moms on foods, right? Maybe it's moms who have kids that they want to, try a certain food or a certain meal that come out. Focus groups on like caregiving. If you're a caregiver, right here, they'll pay you $150. Online focus groups for Bluetooth speakers. So whatever Bluetooth speaker that they're looking for, if you have one, you could do that. There's online group for healthcare in Texas. There's online focus groups on small businesses. Online focus groups for dog owners and pet foods. So you're making money just by doing like online focus groups for banking. So all you have to do is do these simple tasks. You answer these questions and you're going to get paid for your time. Now, here's a great website that you can go, and it's called leoopinions.com. So Leo Opinions, LNE Opinions, and you could get paid for your opinions, as I said, that you're answering questions. You can click on this right here and they could tell you more. So if there's a new product come out, if there's new marketing campaign, many different type of topics, right? So you could sign up. There's over 900,000 people already in here that you can be a part of it. You could participate at our panel by trying out new foods, try new products, TV shows, all that. And you could get paid. And last year they gave out more than $4 million to the participants. So they're willing to give you good money and you're going to get paid just for your time. So these are some of the cities that you could sign up. And right down here, if you want to get paid for your opinion, you click on the sign up tab and it will just take you over here. So make sure you put your email address, confirm your email password, and then once you do that, personal information, demographics, miscellaneous, all that stuff, and you can join the community and start earning right away. So it's a great website for you to go and get started. So make sure you go and do that right away. Now this one is, it's called Clarity. So clarity.fm. That's all you gotta do, clarity.fm. Once you sign up, you could start up advice from like world-class experts. So they're looking for people all over the world. The good thing about this is worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're from, you are able to do this. So you get to speak with somebody on the phone. So for example, you have some issues with your computer, or you have issues with your phone, or you have issues with a math quiz, or you have issues with social media marketing or online marketing, whatever it is, you find an expert and you request a call, and they will either call you over Skype, they'll either call you on Zoom, or they will call you on your phone. It depends where they are. So if you want to become an expert, click on where it says become an expert. Make sure you fill this out, sign up, and you can look at well, you won't see the dashboard, but different categories. There's like businesses, career advice, there's career advice. Hang on one second. So business, okay, career advice, branding, all these things. So if you go on sales and marketing, you'll see social media, and then you go to funding, Kickstarter, crowdfunding, financing, nonprofit. So if you're an expert in any one of these areas, right, click on where it says answer. Here are the answers. So if you look down here, look forward to starting a blog with your recommendation as a hot niche, which helped me to become popular quick. I think a better way to think about it is choose based on your skill set. So this person is answering, the question. These are some of the questions, boom, answers. Answer the questions, answer questions, you get paid. Answer questions, and there's people all over the world. So this is worldwide, and just sign up. Sign up and you can get paid for your opinion and for your expertise. So that's how you get paid for answering questions. So those are the 3 ways that you're gonna get paid to answer questions. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to make this video for you because I know there's lots of people out there that are looking to make some little money here and there, and these things can really do a great deal. So I'll catch you in the next one. If you're looking for my #1 recommendation, how I make money by learning a skill set that will take you from not knowing anything online to the next level and starting your own business. If you're serious, click on the link down below and I'll send you over my recommendation. I'll see you on the next video. My name is Andre. Peace.